Abi na ko. Mat.
Sabi na pag
Kuan ra. Magilo-ilo.
Dili, uy, dili.
Trapo.
Abi niya,
Abi gani
sayo.
kog dako. Di ko ka ba ano
Naman
man ani
trapo
mga
ra mo?
nasugastric mga ay siguro. Dahil ka na mga naa sa YouTube naman ang matanda.
Okay na, nagabila mo.
Oh, kamera.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. I'm Melissa Casar. I'm going to demonstrate the NGT or nasogastric tube. The indication of this is for patients that have difficulty of swallowing, and then comatose and unconscious patients. So first, do the 12 sequence. Read the patient's chart, starting from the name, the age, gender, doctor's orders and diagnosis, gather all the information and go to the patient room. Knock for the door to say, ma'am. Good afternoon. I'm your caregiver from 12 noon to 5 p.m. What is your name, ma'am? When is your birthday? Then secondly, check the wrist tag to confirm the information. And also check the vital sign of the patient if it's normal. And then, by the way, ma'am, I'm here to insert the tube through your nose, since you are weak and you cannot swallow food. And if your patient is comatose, you can ask the supervisor or the nurse about the patient's history, if the patient has history of surgery, of no surgery. So ma'am, so my patient is conscious, have difficulty of swallowing. Is it okay for you, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So first, raise the set the bed into fuller position since you are going to insert tube, and then raise the side rails, and then lock, and then go to the nursing. Ma'am, I will leave you for a while to prepare all the materials, and then go to the nursing station again, and then prepare all the materials, and then do hand washing and hand sanitizing again, and then wear new set of gloves. Then back to the patient's room, bring all the materials. Now for courtesy. Hi ma'am, I'm back. We're going to, before we proceed inserting the tube, do you want to urinate or defecate?
No.
Okay ma'am, so close the curtain for patient privacy. So first, I'll get the NGT tube. So check the integrity, if there is insect bites, the expiration date. This color,
Sa mo, sterile or clean ra ka?
clean na ko muna. So I'm going, this is a clean technique of inserting NGT tube. So check the integrity, the discoloration, any insect bites. So everything is good. So I'm going to sterile. Pwede raman ni siya.
Basta ka sterile ka, sterile lagi na forever. Dili kita pwede mag-touch ka sa anak.
So,
Pwede yun yung ikuha ng physical or sterile technique, no?
so I put a towel under over the patient chest to avoid mist, and then tuck in shoulder.
Mag-assistant pa ng
Pag-insert.
ma'am.
Oo.
Ah,
Eh, mag-liso ba? Basta sa stethoscope, sa tunog-tunon.
Ma'am, I'm going to put a towel under your head. So I already checked the integrity, everything is good. So first, using the pin light, check the nose of the patient if there is a object that plug, or ask the patient, ma'am, do you have a history of nasal surgery? Okay, so the patient has no history. So check the nose, including the mouth. So everything is good. And then check this. Then put also oximeter to avoid overreach.
O, pwede
Put-
ako dito sa imo para dili ka mag-operate siya. Sige, saan mong doon?
Put oximeter on the patient to monitor the oxygen
Saturation.
saturation. So, measure the tube first from the earlobe to the bridge of the nose of the patient, then from bridge of the nose to the xiphoid process.
Then advance.
Then advance 2 inches. Then, if the tube has no indicator, then put a plaster. So this is the indicator. So this is the indicator of the measurement. Then put EY jelly. Put EY jelly on the tube to easily inserted to the patient's nose. And then head tilt or hyperextended the head of the patient. Ma'am, can you extend your head?
Hyper.
Hyperextend to it when inserting the tube. So dili ra na ko insert mo. Kay dili man mo.
Oo, siyempre. Anak kita. Mau kita na
Then,
nose.
And then using also put the glass of water, then ask the patient, ma'am, can you hold the
Conscious man yung patient na conscious.
conscious nga, difficulty of swallowing.
Hmm.
And then slowly insert the tube.
Then, lalaman niya.
And then ask the patient, ma'am, can you open your mouth so I can see if the tube is not curled, and then hold the
Glass.
glass, ma'am, and sip water so I can advance.
May mo assistant. Ikaw mo. Manang.
So I can advance to every
Okay, ma'am.
so apan na
Si ma'am, swallow
sipping,
ma'am.
ma'am, swallow, ma'am,
Ah.
and then advance the tube.
Ano ang iyang, kung di ba naka-hyperextend ka ron, nakainana na.
Nakanana na siya.
Kaya padung na mas obos.
So advance the tube while the patient sipping the water.
Okay.
So
After that,
consider the tube already reached the stomach.
nakasold na siya sa Eurobag.
Ano,
Sa stomach.
nakasulod na, ma'am.
Sige. Next.
And then
By Kung ba iking? Nasunang hangin. Na siya clip. Okay. Temporary anchor, no?
then temporary anchor the tube.
Ano yung magbihok?
Ay, masiging gawas na ang mga ko.
Bawas.
Then temporarily anchor that tube. Nawa na siya kita.
Yes. 5 ways to check.
Then now I'm going to close the tube. So if there's no lock, you can kink it and insert it here to the on that tube.
Okay, 5 ways to check.
Then now I'm going to do 5 ways to check. First, do the using the stethoscope. Check the abdomen if there is borborygmus sounds or washing sound.
Borborygmus.
Borborygmus
So,
sound.
washing sounds. Okay, asepto. At saan man yung pagkuano man nakag-introduce? Introduce. Sa imong asepto syringe. Wa kay madunggan ana pag wala kay introduce na kuan air.
Air.
Oo.
Diri
Open. Kita na kay tapos
So, dapat makakink each other na lang.
insert
So,
the
kink,
asepto.
insert the asepto syringe and then introduce air.
While you listen, di napakadung ka na, iduot ang diaphragm. Ang diaphragm sa ano? Yan. Okay, then you listen. While you introduce, i-listen mo. Assistant, paliho ko, gunit sa kuan, diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Introduce
So,
mo
I'm
air.
going to introduce air while listening
While listening.
the sound.
Okay, sige, listen. Gug, gug, gug. Gug. Na. Okay. Kaya second, nasa may tabo. Sa second. Second way to check.
Second way to check is if there is gastric content coming out from the
Yes.
abdomen to the tube.
Tapos ikatulo,
The third way is using the litmus paper.
yes.
Using that litmus paper, so mixing the gastric content, it should turn to red,
Okay,
orange,
sige.
or brown.
Kayo 4. King ka. King. Okay, kanay mong gastric juice na nakaligo na yung pasyente. Dapat nakatuwad. Nakatuwad. Na-introduce sa glass with litmus paper.
So this is the glass with litmus paper. So mix it with the gastric content.
Okay, interpret.
And then, if the litmus paper turn into orange, red, or brown, it means the tube is in the stomach of the patient. If not,
If, what color?
blue,
Oh. What is the indication if it is blue?
alkaline,
So, probably it is in the,
lungs.
oh.
It is in the lungs. Probably it is in the lungs. So, the litmus paper turns into orange already. So, that means it's already on the stomach.
Okay, fourth way to check.
And the fourth way to check is to put the tube into
Nay mo glass with straw. Nay mo glass with straw kana ko. Kanang glass with straw niya. Kuha ni wala man na siya gamit. Oh. Wala man na siya gamit. Oh. So, puno ng tubig. So, puno
So
ng tubig.
this glass has water.
Mm,
So submerge the tube.
okay.
So king it and then submerge it on the water, and then if there is bubbles, that means the tube is in the lungs. So if there is no bubbles, that means the tube is in the stomach.
Okay.
So there is no bubbles.
Okay. Kalima, fifth,
The fifth is check the size of
length.
the length of the tube.
Kung sa may indication.
Uh,
Kung sa mo i-observe.
the tape should be near to the nostril.
Okay. Wala 5 ways to check.
5 ways to check, and then I'm going to permanently anchor now the tube.
Okay.
So using the then permanently anchor the tube. put the plaster and then intertwine
Baliktad na ba yun? Dapat ang kanang base na ano sa ibabaw sa tube. Masa ba na ang tumoy? Oo. Ana. Tapos ang base na din ay ito ilalo na ni. Ang base. Yan. Tapos intertwine. Ang base na. Dito.